In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share events on Google Calendar. Whether it's a work meeting, a family gathering, or a casual hangout with friends, knowing how to easily share your calendar events is a useful skill. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Google Calendar into the search bar. Click on the search result that leads you to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. You'll be prompted to either choose your existing Google account or enter your email address to sign in. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one where your event is saved. Next, you'll need to enter your password in the provided field. Remember, your Google password is sensitive information, so make sure you're typing it securely. After entering your password, hit the next button to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself on the Google Calendar page where you can see your scheduled events. Locate the event you'd like to share. You can scroll through your calendar or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you have it, click on the event to open its details. You'll see an option labeled Invite via Link. This is the simplest method to share your event. Click on it and a link will be generated. All you need to do is click Copy Link and you're ready to share it. You can paste this link in an email, a message, or any platform you use to communicate with others. However, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can email the event details directly from Google Calendar. To do this, click on the email option within the event details. In the email field, enter the recipient's email address or name if they're already in your contacts. Feel free to add multiple addresses if you're inviting more than one person. Afterward, craft a subject line and include any additional messages or information they might need. This is a chance to personalize your invitation or give context to the event. Once your email is ready and you're satisfied with the invitation, click Send. The recipients will receive an email with all the event details, and if they have Google Calendar, they'll have the option to add it directly to their own calendar. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to share events on Google Calendar. Sharing the right details ensures everyone stays informed and your events run smoothly. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life. Thanks for watching and see you next time.